Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to look at sounds. So what are the sounds? Sounds, they play sounds. For example, I am going to get this one and if I am going to click on it, it is going to play the sound meow. And from where we can get these? We can get these from our sounds here. We have to add this sound to our let's say our program so we can use them. From here I am going to add a sound and I have these ones and I can listen to them. Let's say for animals. Okay, I'm going to get this voice of a horse. All right, so it has been added here. We can edit that sound, but we are going to do that later on. For now, from here, if I am going to click now, we have the sound of a horse here. So if I am going to play this sound, and if I want to change back to the meow, okay. Now what else we can do? We can also record our own voice. Okay, allow this time. Hello, I am S.A. Mahmood from AI and Robotics Club, and I have to save it. It is saved. Let's see what we have here. We have this recording number so and so. Hello, I am S.A. Mahmood from AI and Robotics Club. So that's how we can add our own voices. We can add some voices from the our store. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.